X-Max, boy, you can't go wrong with it, boy. I got a big block for mine today. That tank finally made it to the stores. 89 bucks, I ain't bad. Rubber tracks, dope. Yeah, this thing will be nice. Nice little cockpit. Steering wheel, dope. Butterfly doors. That's awesome. Oh. Cool. $9 can't beat it. Crawler gear wheel. There we go. Y'all know what's up with that. Y'all already know what's up with that. Missing the slash, man. I missed the slash. I'm gonna have to get me another one of these. Coach talking shit. I got rid of my other one. I had to. This the car right here. I'm searching for some wheels for. They actually look good with these tires, man. It might perform way better with them. Roberto has some different tires on them. Yes, sir. Got the Rift. Got the Losi TT Pro and the DB Pro. X-Max, boy, you can't go wrong with it, boy. I got a big block for mine today. Boy, y'all want a fire team, better get down here to Hobbytown. Telling you, they got it on deck, baby. On deck. Yeah, sir, to get limitless. Everything, parts per day. Check that out, boy. Y'all know we got the 18-wheeler. We might have to get something. Oh, is that metal? That's plastic, man. Look, metal almost. That's dope, man. We might have to get that for the 18-wheeler. Put that on the back. Yeah, it's just a hard plastic. They also have the full metal one over here somewhere. I ain't show y'all this side. You seen it before, but look at that Python, boy. Ooh, wee, Tinkerella. I see you, boy. See. Okay, them electronics right there don't fuck off. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That bit fast, boy. Real fast. I like it. LMT. Got one of these in the works too, y'all. It's coming home. Show y'all later. Yes, sir. Got everything in between out here. Y'all know y'all can get. Yes, sir. Where's that metal? I don't see it, but like the Corvette. All right, let me go find my wheels. Hey, bro, you did a good job on this right here, man. Everybody liked it in here.
$200, man. Sure, it comes with the original tires and body.
200?
Yeah, 200.
Damn, bro. Wish I wasn't in here getting something else. I'd definitely get it.
The only thing I didn't do is rear wheel steer and make it brushless.
Right.
Tech has all the parts for it.
I seen it. Yeah. I'll go Tech and Trill, or either Trill or whatever that other company that do the
Hot
axles.
Racing and Power Hobby demo.
Right. It was a dope, bro. You did a good job, man.
Thanks, man.
Hell yeah. I made a video the other day. I put it on social media.
No, Nick did that.
Okay, yeah. He must have been watching that YouTube.
Yeah, Nick jammed him
Yeah. Nice, man. Dope. Nice job, Nick. That's the SCX 24 with the monster truck body on it. Dope. That silver one, so those wheels. Like how they did that design. There you go, Gaffer. This thing looks slick with those wheels on it. With the trailer. Wow, that's a nice setup there. Nice. Come down here to Hobbytown, y'all can get one. Berto, here we go with the new tires, my boy. Yes, sir. And we got it. Yeah, we got that baby sitting wide now. Put the extenders on it. Yeah, Sersky, she need a bath though. But we're gonna see how she perform with these different tires on it. Got the, what are these? Badlands. Proline Badlands, them bitches dope. Time for that big boy to go in.